ating first quarter. Well, parehong kupunan, TJ, galing sa panalo at dalawang bayani ang nakita natin doon sa panalo nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Gerald Hanica para sa Talk and Text when they beat San Miguel Beer last Thursday sa Lucena. Samantalang ito ng mga Santa Lucia Realtors nakakuha ng bayani in the person of Dennis Espino when they beat Alaska last Wednesday.
Parehong kupunan, very high ang kanilang morale with both upset victories. Well, maybe Talk and Text would have a statement about that San Miguel Beer game, pero since it was only the second defeat of San Miguel, consider naman natin ang upset victory para yun.
Alright, samantala ito Vic Pablo. Nope. Try for Apitaw Lava dun sa ilalim, hindi rin pumasok. At ito ngayon na Santa Lucia Realtors, bola na bitiwan ni Derek Brown. Apitaw Lava. Now he takes control of the letter. Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy Alapag, number in this conference have been going down as compared last year. Yung ating Rookie of the Year last year. Those are some of the things na pag-uusapan natin as this game progresses.
Actually, Jimmy Alapag was one of the worst, if not the worst game of this conference against San Miguel Beer. He only had 3 points.
Yes.
1 out of 5 from the field, and he only was able to dish out 4 assists and get 1 rebound as compared to his average of almost 7 assists a ball game.
Alright, so Derek Brown just made it 6-0 right now dito sa ating simula ng first quarter. But kanina si Paolo Mendoza hitting his 3-pointer. Ito naman Gerald Hanicott. Punta kay Willie Miller. Willie Miller in that game against San Miguel Beer. Pero teka muna, ito si Gerald Hanicott. Well, height is might that time around.
Only the first basket there para sa Phone Pass, pero pangalawang offensive rebound na yan. Yung binigit natin sa kanina, no, the first time they played 67-40 ang talaan sa rebounding. So I'm sure this is something na dapat ma-concern ng Realtors sa pag-dominate sa kanila ng Talk and Text Phone Pass sa rebounding.
Derek Brown, second serving para Santa Lucia Realtors, hitting that one off a miss. Si Gerard Francisco. Of course, itong panig ng Talk and Text Phone Pass, CJ, hindi pa si Gerald Hanica sa kanilang import. Sa kanilang unang pagtatangko. Was still Randy Holcomb. Itong bola, mailap, pero nakuha ni Jimmy Alapag. Set up job para kay Vic Pablo who hits it from the baseline.
Third straight possession para sa Phone Pass na after they missed their shot, they have had a second chance opportunity. At yun na naman, showing a little bit more hustle to start this ball game. Even though lamang ang Santa Lucia, 8-4.
Dahil sa mga inoobserbahan natin dito, yung dalawang malalaking itong magkabilang kumpanan, Gerald Hanica, Disere, Apitaw Lava, and as usual, yung Twin Towers nitong Santa Lucia Realtors, Dennis Espino and Marlo Aquino.
So kung meron tayong respective Twin Towers sa parehong kumpanan, meron din naman yung Phone Pass na twin small men na potentially dangerous yan. Si Willie Miller at si Jimmy Alapag. Na pag sinabay mo, nakakatakot naman yung duo niya.
Paolo Mendoza and off. Papunta rito kay Marlo Aquino. Goes straight to the basket. Side-stepping move. And Santa Lucia makes it a 6-point game. 10-4. With almost 3 minutes gone by dito sa ating first quarter of action.
Si Marlo Aquino, isa pang mamang to na napakaganda ng laro niya kalaban ng Alaska. He had 22 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, and 6 shot block. 6 na supalpal.
It's Paolo Mendoza with a runner. Nakaharap pa ron. Ito si Apitaw Lava.
Very aggressive ang panimulan nitong Santa Lucia. Benji, though they're not waiting too long. They have the opportunity to take this open shot right away. And they're up 12-4. Barely 4 minutes gone by in the ballgame.
And 5 points para kay Paolo Mendoza. Willie Miller. Ito si Jimmy Alapag. Marlo Aquino. So yun ang inaasahan din itong panig ng Talk and Text Phone Pass for Jimmy Alapag to get back his game. Talaga, yung kung paano siya nanalo ng Rookie of the Year last year. Samantala ito si Derek Brown. This is the usual thing that we get to see him.
Very dangerous move and very difficult to guard. Yung kanyang step back 3-point jumper.
O 8 puntos itong kalamangan ng Santa Lucia Realtors. Willie Miller finds himself open, pero that short jumper di pumasok. Vic Pablo keeping it alive para sa Talk and Text Montas, and he hits another baseline jumper.
Fourth opportunity na naman ng Phone Pals to get a second chance possession there. At si Willie Miller naman yung tira niya pabanda pangalawang best na attempt dun. Parang pinipay niya, no?
Oo nga
Yung libre, parang may ilang siya sa pagka-libre niya.
Samantala si Paolo Mendoza. Ay, maganda. Shooting dito magkabilang koponan na ito. Paolo Mendoza. Yes. Sinabi mo pa. Magkakaroon ng turnover ang Talk and Text Phone Pals.
Well, itong si Paolo Mendoza, he's the kind of player that coaches love to have as a zone buster. It's a 2-3 zone itong Talk and Text niya. And if you have a deadly spot-up shooter like a Paolo Mendoza, you'd love to have him floating around in your wings in the corners of your offense to get those three-point shots.
Then it's Pina now going to Gerard Francisco against the two towers, the Talk and Text. Sobra yung kanyang tira. 17-9 in favor of Santa Lucia Realtors. An 8-point lead. Gustong bawasan ng Phone Pals. Same spot, same result. Big Pablo.
Pangatlong pagkakataon na yan na makapukol from that exact same spot, and he is 3 out of 3 from that area. 7 points na ang simula ng ball game ni Big Pablo.
Big Pablo had 13 points when they went up against San Miguel.
His best outing yet
Yes.
this year, no?
Samantala, ito si Derek Brown. Nagbintis with a three-pointer. Ito si Jimmy Alapag. Nawawala si Paolo Mendoza. The handoff there to Gerald Honeycutt, resulting into a foul doon sa ilalim. Marlo Aquino will pick up his first personal foul and the first team foul called against Santa Lucia Realtors.
So mabilis yung pace ng ating ball game, to start off the first 6 minutes. And normally you think this would go to the advantage of the team who likes to run more. But if you look at the stats of the last game, mas maraming fast break points itong Phone Pals as compared to the Realtors. It is 20-9 if I'm not mistaken.
At saka
18. Yes, 18-9. Na-doble nila yung fast break points ng Santa Lucia. And the Phone Pals actually are the fastest, well, if you could say that, team in the PBA because they are number 1 in terms of fast break points, averaging almost 15 fast break points a ball game. Hot on their tail is Santa Lucia, third, averaging 14.1. We will really pretty much expect a high-octane ball game, pero hindi natin kung makakapagtagal yung mga big men nila, like this guy leading the break for the Phone Pals.
And Miller at the finishing end naman to score his first basket in this ball game. And all of a sudden, kanina, 2 puntos na lang sa kalamangan ng Santa Lucia.
In a blink of an eye, yung pag-pick up ng pace ng Phone Pals, nakatulong sa kanila paghabol dito.
Samantala, ito Derek Brown with Jimmy Alapag. Nakaharang sa kanya. Si Jimmy Alapag matatawagan with a foul here. That's only his first. Para sa Talk and Text, they will pick up their second team foul. Kaya nga na binabanggit namin, Pamakaya Vade, now it's down to 2 only. Santa Lucia leading this one, 17-15. At kagaya na sinabi namin, cardiac ball game, down the wire. Ano pa maitatawag natin doon sa kanilang unang pagtatagpo? Ito, sariwain natin, ipakita sa inyo mga viewers. Panorin ninyo ito, Miller with a winning shot in their first game. And of course, Willie Miller had 14 points in that ball game. 5 in the last 23 seconds. And of course, turning out to be the hero. Samantala, field goals natin, makikita natin 6-47 of 11. At ito, Dennis Espino just made it a 4-point game. So yung kanyang unang 2 puntos. We're inside 5 minutes itong ating first quarter.
It's interesting na Benji nagpo-focus ang shots ng Phone Pals dito sa left corner ng offense nila. Pero mapupunan mo, meron na dahilan dyan kasi nagtutu-3 zone itong Santa Lucia. Yung mamang nakabantay dun sa corner nun is Dennis Espino.
Okay.
As compared to the other corner, it's gonna be Derek Brown. Since mabagal-bagal itong Espino, mas sinatake nila yung pag-kick out sa outside shots because he's a slower guy to come out and challenge the shooters as compared to doing it on the other side against Derek Brown. So,
Samantala,
dami, eh, ano?
Oo.
Apat o lima na natirang galing sa corner. 3 from Pablo and a couple more from the others.
kaya nga kadalasan nakikita ko si Dennis Pino at si Marlo na nakaharap dito.
Yes.
Alright, samantala mga kaibigan, ito 22-17 earlier, si Paolo Mendoza hits another three-pointer. Because Paolo Mendoza is 100% from the three-point area. 3 out of 3. Gerard Francisco, that one is short. Nando naman si Marlo Aquino with a reverse.
Sakit sa ulo yung ganong situation kapag nag-zona ka na nga, you're expecting to be able to rebound the ball better, but it's really actually harder to rebound kasi mas mahirap mag-box out kapag nakazona ka, hindi mo alam kung saan magaling mga tao. Tulad na nangyari kay Marlo waltzing in for the rebound.
But this guy, ito mainit eh. Kung may adjustment man na ginawa ito sa Santa Lucia Realtors after the timeout, na lumabang sila ng pito. Ito si Vic Pablo, kailangan pag-usapan nila yan. Ano? Nakakarami na ito, 9 puntos na.
Siyam na already, 13 yung ginawa
Kaya
nila.
nga eh.
Grabe naman yung ginagawa ni Vic Pablo.
We still have 3 minutes and 18 remaining dito sa ating first quarter. It seems like ito si Vic Pablo, he just keeps on getting better.
Boundary na ng kanyang average.
Oo.
9.7.
Ngayon na Paolo Mendoza, siya naman ang may mainit na kamay para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Actually, 11 puntos. Ito si Paolo Mendoza. Derek Brown taking it strong against Asi Taulava.
Ayan, nag-man-to-man defense naman tong Talking Tech na nag-adjust na sila from the 2-3 zone. Pero kapuna-puna, ang bumabantay kay Brown ay si Willie Miller.
Ito si Paolo Mendoza. He wants everybody to be there. Dahil nahuhuli si Marlo Aquino. Dennis Espino, bigla umispot from the outside. Asi? May 2 towers doon. Tapos muna ang bola. Miller atras muna, 2.5 remaining dito sa ating first period. 10 seconds na shot clock na stop and check. May mataba sa pagiliran itong si Gerald Honeycutt.
Wow. What a pass there.
Asi Taulava with a basket. There's the score, 5-point lead para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Derek Brown, 9 points. Sabi niya, hindi naman ako mag-dish ng assist. Marlo Aquino scoring. 6 points in the ballgame for the Skyscraper. Wait a minute. Gerard Francisco, ayaw tantanan. Ito si Jimmy Alapag. At siya matatawagan with that foul. His first. At magiging pangalawa na yan against Santa Lucia Realtors. Dalawa rin ang team foul. Itong Talking Tech phone foul. As we take a look at Derek Brown here. Playing decoy. Nandun si Marlo sa ilalim. 28-21. 7-point lead para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Araw na ito, marami tayong dapat ipaalala sa buong bayan. Yun nga, bukas, eleksyon, go out and vote. Dahil yan ay inyong karapatan, dapat na gamitin ninyo. At,
Si Wisely.
ano? Si Wisely. Oh, napakasikat. Pero hindi naman nananalo yun. ha?
Sabing vote Wisely. Ilang taon lang sinasabing vote si Wisely. Hindi naman nanalo si Wisely. Tingnan mo si Willie Miller. Ito, Wise too. Last
Yan.
game versus San Miguel, he had 16 points. And yun nga, binabagin natin against Santa Lucia, he had 14 points and including that last 5 points in the last 23 seconds. Yan ang Wise.
Chosen best player of the game in their last outing, si Willie Miller. Kanina na ipakita pa natin yung kanyang heroic nung talunin nila itong panig na Santa Lucia Realtors in their first meeting. At syempre, another paalala dahil naalala lagi natin ang kung bakit tayo nandito, ang ating mga nanay. Happy
Yes.
Mother's Day! Mga nanay, at ito, nanay ko po, ang nangyari ron para rin
Hardcore.
kay Patrick Fran.
You know, we've seen a lot of hard falls in the last, recent years in the PBA. Buti na lang, bago na flooring ng PBA.
Oo nga eh.
Kung hindi nyo, eto mga kaibigan, hindi nyo na nalalaman to na ang flooring ng mga basketball court nowadays, lalo na sa mga professional arenas like in the NBA and even here, world standards na po tayo. Ang tawag ito maple wood flooring. Mas may give pa yan mas may spacing pa yan between that and the cement. So, kung matatapakan nyo to, madribulan nyo to, kahit mabagsakan nyo, mas mahigit nyo na mas may cushion, kumbaga, ang bagsak nyo. Kaya bumabasin nyo, kahit nagbabagsakan yung mga player natin na gano'n tayo kaagad, Eh kung nangyari dati yun sa goal scoring ng Arneta na practically wood on cement, aray, masakit yun.
Masakit yun.
Oo, masakit yun.
Gerald Hanigat, gusto niya rin masaktan with that three-pointer. Itong panig na Santa Lucia Realtors dahil 2 puntos na lang ang kanilang kalamangan, the white shirt. Samantala, ito 7-second shot clock. Dennis Espino finding a way to hit that one at close range.
Nice way to break the double team there para kay Dennis Espino.
Dennis Espino, meron ng 4 na puntos dito sa ating first quarter. Hanigat with another three-pointer. Ayaw na.
And again, pansin mo Ben, the left side of the zone ang inatake nila, yung side to Dennis Espino. They're trying to pull him out of the zone.
Chito Victorero coming off the bench para kay Coach Al Francis Chu at na-ambush ito si Marlo Aquino ni Willie Miller at nakuha ng tuluyan ang full foul sa bola. Patrick Fran. Ito ngayon si Gerald Hanigat inside to Vic Pablo. Siguro yan si Deo Campo na nakamask pa yan. Missing with that baseline jumper. Gerard Francisco. Derek Brown. Drop pass, Gerard Francisco. Bumisi to get that basket. What a play there para Santa Lucia Realtors.
Sloppy but effective. They still got a 2-point in that
Pagka nasa area na siya, and then he will decide to pass at the last minute. Ayun, nalilibre yung kanyang mga kampi. Kaya may 3-point play pa. Etong si Gerard Francisco right now para Santa Lucia Realtors.
eh, kung mag-average ka ba naman ng 38
Kaya
points
nga eh.
ball game, grabe nga naman. Itong Santa Lucia, they still have a couple of fouls to give to Menyos ng atong si Coach Alfonso Chua sa mga players niya na 9 seconds to go, may fouls to give tayo para mahirapan itong talking text to get the last shot.
Let's consider talagang matipid sa fouls. Ito magkabilang pa kaya mabilis sa mga pangyayari dito sa ating first quarter. Kompleto ang 3-point play para kay Gerard Francisco. To make it a 7-point game, Willie Miller. Set up para kay Patrick Fran.
Blocked by Gerard Francisco. Hindi na nga nagamit yung foul na. Ngayon, mas magagamit pa na yung foul. As you see, Kenneth Hernandez coming in the ballgame for the first time, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so usually mag-i-start ito si Kenneth Doremdes for about a couple of games para kay Coach Al Francis Chua, pero comes off the bench. Hanigat with a shot!
Wow! Tapos si Coach Al, sinasabi niya kay Dennis, may foul to give tayo. Hindi ginamit.
Well, Gerald Hanigat, no choice naman talaga. He has to put it up, and he hits it. At ito, binabasa 5 puntos itong kalamangan ng panig na Santa Lucia Realtors.
Ayan doon, pwede na sana siya pumaul.
Wala, hindi
Wala,
niya
ayaw
ginawa.
yung foul.
Hintay lang niya na makatira pa. Ito si Gerald Hanigat. Nothing but net to end the first 12 minutes of play. Another closer look at this play para sa top exact full fouls. That's the way he struck up this way. Pero ito si Gerald Hanigat was able to hit a jumper to end the first quarter of action. Kaya nga 5 na lamang sa kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. Patrick Fran opened up the scoring sa ating second period.
Patuloy ang mainit na shooting. It was a very high scoring first quarter. No, Ben, nakita natin 33 to 28 ang tinapos ng ating first quarter. Alan Salazar is in the ball game right now. Has only played 4 games this whole conference.
Oo nga.
Hindi na nabigyan ng pagkakataon ni Coach Joel Banal na maglaro. I'm wondering why. Bong Rafena has yet to see action.
First team foul for the Talking Jack home foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
All right. Chito Victorero is up against Tom Belbelano this time. Ito naman si Dennis Espino against Gerald Hanigat. Nawala yung bola sa kanya. Picked up by Tom Belbelano. Trying to bring it closer. Most of it. Oh, hindi tinira. Si Alan Salangsang ang bibira ng tres pero sasablay. But he gets the ball back.
Ito naman na yung left corner na yun na medyo mabagal talaga. Minsan tinatamad na rin si Espino. Nagtumakbo sa labas. Ako na naman. Papatakbuhin ninyo na to challenge those outside shots.
Pero by this time, they should have already taken note of that. Short for that three-pointer para kay Gerald Hanigat. And there's Derek Brown. Kanina si Miller ang bumabantay sa kanya. Ngayon si Patrick Fran naman, ano?
Well, yun yung strategy ngayon ni Coach Joel Banal. He wants a smaller guy against Brown to stay put and stay in front of him with his speed.
Okay.
Pero pag jump check yung sa loob, nandun naman yung help defense above the defenders.
Pero that time, yun ang problema naman ni Patrick Fran. Hindi na si Dennis Espino ang tao niya. At foul lamang ang maibibigay niya. As he's trying to defend against Dennis Espino, he'll be called for his second. Muli po, Benji Santiago, kasama ko si TJ Manotok para sa ating first game Buhat dito sa Big Dome sa Cubao, Quezon City. Umuulan sa labas. Ito sa Metro Manila. At alam natin, umuulan din ang blowout sa lahat ng mga nanay. Kasi it's Mother's Day today. Samantala, ito ang Doc and Tex ball pass. The spin for Dome Milano. Nawala yung control niya sa bola. Derek Brown quickly to Dennis Espino. Off balance jumper. No problem. 6 points para kay Dennis Jimenez.
Nandiyan pa rin yung ating high-octane tempo ng parehong kupunan. Kapag may slight advantage, abay tinatakbo nila kaagad. Man-to-man na ngayon ang depensa ng Santa Lucia. Nag-adjust na sila from their 2-3 zone.
Marlo Aquino against Yancy De Ocampo. Foul against Marlo, his second. Unang team foul picked up by the Realtors dito sa ating second quarter. Yancy tried to shoot a three. Nandun pa rin si Marlo Aquino sa kanyang harapan. Ganda rin yung matchup na parehong matangkad. Gerald Hanikat using his body to protect the ball. Ito, bumalik sa kanya yung bola. And he stops it in.
Parang boomerang, no?
Kaya
Basta
nga.
bumalik sa kanya with no effort whatsoever.
2 slam dunks nakita natin kay Gerald Hanikat dito sa ating first half of action. At 3 puntos na lamang. Ito kalamangan ng Realtors. Chito Victolero. Marlo against Yancy. Espino na, bitiwan na naman yung bola. Uh-oh, eto na, goodbye. Gerald Hanikat with another jam. And now it's just a hairline lead na lamang para sa Realtors.
15 points na ngayon para kay Gerald Hanigat, and it's paying off also with his effort on the defensive end with the hustle there, initiating a steal against Dennis Espino.
Espino, top of the key jumper, wala. Derek Brown and Gerald Hanikat fighting for the rebound. At ang bola, lalabas sa end line. A couple of plays na nakita natin. Ito si Dennis Espino committing a turnover. Nawawala sa kanya yung bola, kaya pinagpahinga muna siya ni Coach Al Francis Chua.
Gusto ko na magpasalamat kay Ate Shena.
Wow.
Si Ate Shena, isa sa pinaka-creative na tao na kumain kapag nasa ball game. Ngayon, ang inahain niya, siniguela.
Marlo Aquino, finger roll, blocked there by Gerald Hanikat. Naglalakihan dun sa ilalim. 35-34 ito, Talking Tex Voltas looking to take their first lead in this offense. Short para kay Yancy De Ocampo. And Derek Brown, si Derek Brown merong 7 na puntos in the first period. Dadagdagan niya yan, he will make it 12, hitting a 3-pointer.
Akala mo, nanahimik na si Derek Brown, a guy who's averaging 38 points a ball game. Aba, eto na. Uminit na naman at pumukol sa first field goal here in the second quarter.
Inilayo niyang bahagya yung kanilang kalamangan, magkaka-turnover pa. Itong Talking Tex Voltas with a bad pass there. And we're inside 8 minutes ng ating first set. Gerald Hanikat, of course, is exerting a lot of effort here to try to bring back his team into the ballgame because hindi naman nagkakalayuan ito. At makikita natin 38-34, 4 na puntos ito.
Alright, that's the farmer's market. Pabili tayo rock shop.
Mamaya. Paulo Mendoza is back. Paulo Mendoza scoring 11 points in the first period. Ito si Derek Brown. This one is short. Bola landing in the hands of Marlo Aquino. That one, he took it strong against Yancy De Ocampo. Marlo Aquino may 8 puntos na.
Also a good start para kay Marlo Aquino together with Dennis Espino, who also has 6 points.
Gerald Hanikat missing from the outside. Derek Brown. Bang!
Wow. Alam mo, napakataas na score natin, ha?
That's only long 2 para kay Derek Brown. Pero Derek Brown already has 14 points, 42-34. Yes.
Alam mo,
mataas nga naman ito.
itong Talking Tex is the number 2 scoring team at 96.7 points per ball game. Also, ang Santa Lucia, nasa rank 8 siya at 91.1 per ball game.
Ito yung binabanggit ko eh. Talagang effort na yung pinapakita nitong si Gerald Hanikat. A duel between the two imports. 15 points right now para kay Gerald Hanikat. 14 para kay Derek Brown. At ito si Hanikat. May 3-point play pa. So, a total of 18 para kay Gerald Honeycutt right now. In the meantime, ito si Paulo Mendoza is up against Jimmy Alapag. Marlo Aquino, wala. Wala natapik. Last touch ito si Jimmy Alapag.
Parang nanggigigil itong si Marlo Aquino.
Oo,
Yes, Yancy, ang bilis pumihit sa basket. Hindi na naghihintay ng mag-iisip pa kung paano ang atake niya. Very aggressive. Alam niya kasi single coverage lang. Walang double team sa kanya dahil di pwede pag-iwanan si Derek Brown.
Ano, titignan mo nga si Yancy De Ocampo at si Marlo Aquino. Parang hindi dito sa earth nila alam ko. Basketball center.
Ay! Ay! Sorry.
Hindi, tumama eh. Tumama na doon sa may shot clock eh.
No can do. Pero okay yan sa horse. Kaya niyan.
Oo, mahirap yun.
Tawagan mo yung tira niya. No? Tatama sa ring, tatama sa boy, tatama sa
Yan.
shot clock, tapos swak pa ha.
Okay na sana yun kung bilyar ito eh.
Oo.
Kasi si Efren bata lang eh, walang problema eh. Willie Miller from the outside, nothing there. Tingnan natin, eto tumatakbo na naman si Derek Brown. What we have told you, this is a fast-paced ball game. That's what we're seeing here. Pareho pang matipid sa fouls, although that time, si Yancy De Ocampo matatawagan with the foul.
Ang napupuna ko lang sa fast break ng Santa Lucia, no, hindi ganun kaganda ang transition defense ng phone fouls. They're not very disciplined enough to guard or to check the guy, bringing down the ball. Yun ang very basic sa pag-defense sa fast break. Get the man with the ball kasi obviously siya ang pinaka-deadly. Either he can take it all the way against you or you're giving him an easier time to pass that off to the guys spinning in the lanes or the trainer.
Off to another double-double performance para kay Derek Brown as we take a look at Mrs. Felicitas Francisco, the mom of Gerard
Happy
Francisco.
Mother's Day.
Ayan. And Derek Brown continues to be hot, especially here in the second quarter. 6 na puntos na ini-score niya dito sa ating second period. Eh, mag-halfway mark pa lang tayo nitong quarter na ito. 44-37 para Santa Lucia. Who's going to take the shot? Jimmy Alapag. It's still going to be Gerald Honeycutt.
Let's kung meron na tayong shot para sa talking text at the halftime, mapapansin mo, probably 75% of the shots have come from this left side. Ngayon kasi, ang nakapwesto rin sa zone nila, si Wilmer
Oo.
So mabagal-bagal na naman na big man sa zona.
Marlo Aquino sumalaksak. And Marlo Aquino with 10 points dito sa ating ball game. Teka muna. Doon sa ilalim, Wilmer Ong against, what is the physical player? Ito si Wilmer Ong. And Derek Brown, of course, the best scorer dito sa ating Fiesta Conference and his numbers.
Pamiesta talagang score niya. No? Parang may fiesta araw-araw kapag kumakamada ito si Derek Brown.
In the meantime, resumption of the action here. Jimmy Alapag goes to Willie Miller. Asi Taulava still with only 4 points dito sa ating game na ito.
And again, left wing na naman, wide open shots para sa phone foul. Swerte na lang na sa Lucia na maganda rin yung offense nila kaya hindi nakakalayo or hindi nakakalamang itong phone foul.
And most probably, para sa mga fans ng Talking Tech, they could expect a big game para rito kay Jimmy Alapag. Kasi dati, nung last outing nila, 3 points na. Ngayon, 5 points na siya. Eto na naman. Marlo Aquino.
Sabi ni Jimmy Alapag, anong sinasabi mo ng sophomore? Hindi usa sa akin yun.
46-45. Eto na naman, dikit na naman tayo rito. Threatening. Etong Talking Tech full foul. Di pa sila nakakatikim ng kalamangan dito sa ball game na ito. Marlo Aquino is up against Asi Taulava. Marlo Aquino off the glass, masyado malakas yan. Eto na ang Talking Tech full pass. Jimmy Alapag, the Mighty Mouse. Don't look back. Ako hindi na-anticipate si Gerald Honeycutt. At ito kayo si Derek Brown. Brown. Pumilat pa, foul! Yan si De Ocampo with his long arms.
Bilis ng aksyon. Kala ko nasa karera ako ng kabayo.
Tama yung kita, umuulan eh. Gerald Honeycutt short with that one. So still, yung 1-point lead there, yun parang barrier. Correct. Santa Lucia Realtors. Eto si Kenneth Dorrende. Oh! Kenneth Dorrende hitting this one.
Joining the party, first 2 points of the ball game para kay Captain Marvel. At nakaagaw si Espino.
So, let's continue with the party. Yung ba sinasabi ni Santa Lucia Realtors dito? Torres. Nothing there. Pero last touch pa yata. Ay, di, jump ball ang itinawag dito.
At hindi makadecide yung mga referee kung malinaw ba o hindi. Hindi na malinaw ang sino may last touch. So, jump ball.
48-45 Santa Lucia. It's Marlo Aquino and Asi Taulava sa jump ball.
Medyo, sabi niya yata yung naihip pa ng hangin niya. Medyo madulas minsan. Mahirap talaga. You know, it's one of the things is very difficult to perfect that.
Oh, ipakita na yun. Santa Lucia winning the tap there. Espino. Ang pabilis nga lang siya kay Andy De Ocampo. Now si Espino may 8 puntos na.
50 points already for the Realtors with just 3 and 20 to go here in the half.
Talaga, ang takas na scoring dito. Asi for 3. This one is short. Takbuhan na naman. Derek Brown. Kinaliwa, inabot yun ni Asi Taulava and Willie Miller. Sa kabila naman ng takbuhan. Jimmy Alapan to Willie Miller. Out to Gerald Honeycutt. Nobody on here. Malakas. Pero nakuha ni Asi Taulava. Okay, after trumpet tayo. Uy, kick ball.
Si Willie Miller nakaano dun eh. Nakaabang parang sneaky. Huli siya.
Alright, mga kaibigan, kagaya nga na nabanggit namin, it's a high-scoring game. We still have 2 minutes and 54 dito sa ating first half. 50 na sa Santa Lucia, 45, di naman malayo ang talk and text hometown. Mga babae, ang buhay ni Patrick Ryan. Abangan. Alright, 3
Horror ba?
Kasi ano, mali emotion. Pablo against Marlo Aquino. That one is short. Bothers there. But si Marlo Aquino known for his shot block. Ano si Derek Brown against Willie Miller. So still, ganun pa rin yung sistema. And Derek Brown, last one of defense was Asi Taulava. Bothered. Gerald Honey got butterfingers here.
I don't know how you can really measure the effectiveness of having a small guy guarding Derek Brown. Kasi naka-16 points siya, so hindi mo naman masasabi na na-held down siya, no? Averaging 38 points a ball game, so medyo on track pa rin siya to hit his average, di ba?
Saka natuli na, you have like 2 players already double figures. Paulo Mendoza, Marlo Aquino, on its way na rin ito si Dennis Espino. Ito si Willie Miller. Okay, triple finger roll there para kay Willie Miller. So brings it closer. 3-point game right now. 50-47. Santa Lucia. Talk and Text has not tasted the lead in this game so far. Ito ngayon si Dennis Espino. Espino, yes! Right, jumper. So he's also in double figures.
Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin talaga makalamang at ang Talk and Text. You know, they've been there. 2 points, 1 point na naman. Can't break through that barrier.
Honeycutt inside to Asi Taulava. Nako, with Marlo Aquino there. It's a bad pass. Kenneth Dorendez. Finger roll. Shot. Nado naman si Derek Brown. To consider, there were 3 phone fouls there in the shaded area. Derek Brown pa nakakuha ng offensive rebound and put back.
Pero nauna siya sa pwesto, eh, no? Nahuli yung pagbaba ni Asi Taulava. In fact, Gerald Honeycutt, di na bumaba.
Honeycutt challenging Marlo Aquino. Goes for the soft shot. Jump hook.
Nice move there by Gerald Honeycutt, leading all scorers with 23 points.
Mamaya ang tag sa mga numero. Ito si Gerald Honeycutt. 48 seconds ang ating first half. Dorendez left open. May 4 na puntos na. Ito si Kenneth Dorendez.
Parang sila ka ng palangkana ang ring natin ngayon first half, no? Parehong kupunan. Parang napakabiling sumot.
We will have to find out the goal percentage sa taas. Jimmy Alapan. Lalo na itong Santa Lucia is worse.
Oh, yeah.
Field goal percentage.
Yes. As a team, no?
Oo, as a team. 4-point game. Kenneth going to Marlo, pero napat na bola kay Paulo Mendoza. And Derek Brown shoots from the outside. Wala, let's see. Last shot ba para sa phone pass. Mamadali din ito kasi nandun na rin lang. Ito si Asi Taulava.
Bigay mo na, doon na eh.
Pang-anim na puntos lamang yun para kay Asi Taulaba. This his first 2 points dito sa ating second quarter. Brown. Out to Dennis Espino.
Oy!
Nasundot sa likod yung bola.
Well, they had a foul to give. And yung
Yan na naman.
phone pass, wala na, nakakatinig. Okay lang. Good defense naman there on the part of Honica, trapping that ball out of bounds. 1.6 to go in half.
Baseline throw in. Let's see. Quick play here. They go to Kenneth Durante.
Oy!
Sayang.
Good play.
Okay rin yun. Lumusot eh. Naitira. Pero mananatili na hindi pa rin makakatikim ng kalamangan itong panig ng Talk and Text phone pass. In fact,